Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for joining once again for a new publication of results of LatinNCAP. In this case, it's the 7th publication of the year 2025. We are in phase 16 of the program, and as usual, we're going to start the publication showing the cars we selected for this publication. The Renault Kardian 6 airbags, standard, made in Brazil, and the Volkswagen Taos, updated Taos 6 airbags, made in Mexico. So both cars we are publishing now is a Renault Kardian made in Brazil and the Volkswagen Taos, updated Taos, made in Mexico. The results: the Renault Kardian achieved 5-star results. Remember that this car was tested in 2024 with a 4-star result. At that time, and we are now sharing the images of that test from last year, the car showed stable structure in the frontal and also unstable structure in the footwell area. In general, marginal to adequate protection for the adults. The vehicle showed in general a good performance, good protection for the adults, also good protection for the child occupants. Remember that this car was using the isofix anchorages and rearward facing positions with the support leg for both child dummies. This vehicle, it's equipped standard with 6 airbags, as explained earlier, and it has optional ADAS technologies, optional AEB, car to car, but did not have AEB for vulnerable road users. And this is what the manufacturer introduced as an optional. We are watching now the side impact real speed, and now in slow motion, and we see how the side airbags, side curtain airbags and side body airbags offer a good protection for the adults, adequate protection to the chest, and the rest is good protection. And when we are watching now the side impact in general, good protection with some issues or challenges containing the head of one of the dummies, but still though in general enough to score the 5 stars. Doors and structure works well, preventing intrusion of the cart. We would have expected a better result in the structure of this vehicle, and now we are watching on real speed the pole impact, side pole impact. The curtain and side airbags are deploying on time to offer good protection to the head and marginal protection to the chest, as well as pelvis and abdomen with good protection for this car. As we explained, this is a car with 6 airbag standard. This is the first model of this range with 6 standard airbags from Renault in Latin America. We are watching now the rear view, slow motion of the side pole impact, and we are moving now to the whiplash. Whiplash showed marginal protection in the rear impact. I repeat, this is the result, the test that we performed in 2024, which was at that time enough for 4 stars for the manufacturer. Also, when it comes to the pedestrian protection, passive safety, in general, the vehicle offered adequate to good protection in most of the hood, poor towards the windscreen, and when it comes to the upper leg, also weak to poor, but the lower leg showed good protection in general. The vehicle has electronic stability control as a standard. It was tested last year, showing good performance also in the moose tested scenario as well. So watching ESC with a robot from the outside of the car, and now we are going to move to the moose test images, also without any challenges, the car achieving high speed and good performance. Autonomous emergency braking systems, it's an optional equipment on the car, and car to car achieved good score for a static target or static vehicle and moving vehicle, so AB interurban and AB city as well. The system works well in all its extent, showing good performance and achieving also good scoring. When it comes to the autonomous emergency braking systems, as explained, the manufacturer added cameras system to the car in the updates, and it has now AEB for pedestrians, vulnerable road users, and this is what we have reassessed in this opportunity in 2025. All the other tests were from 2024. It was verified that the car is the same as previously. Now with the AEB VRU, it reached 5 stars. We are moving now to the next result. Volkswagen Taos reached a 5-star result again. This car was assessed in 2021, was the first car in under this current protocol to achieve the 5 stars. We are watching the videos from that point in time from 2021. That car in that time was produced in Argentina and in Mexico, and we tested both versions on that time. And the vehicle showed stable structure, stable footwell area, also in general offered a good protection for the adults, marginal protection to the chest of the driver and adequate to the passenger chest. When it comes to child occupant protection, both of them showed full protection for the frontal test. The manufacturer is installing both child seats rearward facing using isofix anchorages and support leg, following the global best practices, and that shows a good performance for the child occupant protection and adult occupant protection. Top view of the front crash test, and we are now moving to the side impact and slow motion. Good structure that prevents the car intrusion into the compartment, the passenger area, the airbags, also offering a good performance for the children and the adult protection, mainly for the adult, full protection on the side impact, which is also good, and also no door opening for this car. And as explained, also good performing structure, preventing the car's intrusion into the surviving cell. We're now moving to the pole impact at real speed. And now the pole impact in slow motion. We see once again the curtain airbags deploying right on time and properly to offer good protection to the head, adequate to the chest, and good to the lower part of the body. As mentioned, this test we are watching now is from 2021. The car, as explained, was updated recently with a facelift and other add-ons that we have tested for updating the results once again in 2025. We have checked the car is the same as in 2021, and back then was both production lines were tested. We're watching now the whiplash, the rear impact, which achieved a good protection for the neck on real speed. And pedestrian protection, now we are seeing the pedestrian protection passive safety being assessed on the facelifted car. You see now the facelift of the new update of the vehicle. In general, the head showed pretty much the same performance, mostly adequate, marginal. Upper leg still showed poor protection areas and good protection for the lower leg. When it comes to ADAS, was also assessed again under the new update of the car. We checked the other systems. Also the ESC. ESC performed well in MOOS and in the ESC test, as you can see now. Autonomous emergency braking system on static and moving car-to-car targets performed well and robustly. And also, once again, in the static vehicle test. And we also assessed these ADAS technologies in the pedestrian scenarios. So AEB pedestrian also worked well, not achieving 100% of the points, but overall good performance. Also with a child pedestrian on obstructed view scenario, which is a very challenging scenario for the systems. Lane support system was also tested. It's an optional equipment in the car and performed overall well. Performance we expect it to be a little bit better when it comes to the blind spot detection. That it was also assessed. It's an optional. It's vastly equipping most of the units, but still optional. Blind spot detection also performed well, achieving full score for the Taos. So wrapping up the results as a summary, we have the Renault Kardian tested in 2024 with 4 stars, but the manufacturer added the AEB vulnerable road users, adding a camera system into the car as an update as from production date established and indicated in the publication. We've reassessed the vehicle. In general, the vehicle is the same, and we added an extra assessment of the AEB VRU, which achieved a very high score, achieving all and satisfactory performances in all scenarios. And that actually made the needed points in the vulnerable road user box to achieve 5 stars. So this is the Renault Kardian 5 stars. It's the first ever Renault 5-star car in LatinNCAP. When it comes to a Volkswagen Taos, this vehicle was the first 5-star on the current protocols back in 2021. At that time, it was produced in Argentina and in Mexico. We tested at that time to the 5 stars, both vehicles, the one produced in Mexico and the one produced in Argentina. The vehicle was updated in 2020, end of 2024 and beginning of 2025, and in 2 ways. First of all, it was a facelift update, and at the same time, some other technologies change a little bit of configuration in production. But most important is that the car is only produced now in Mexico and no production in Argentina anymore. Under those conditions and the facelift, by request from the manufacturer, LatinNCAP reassessed the vehicle We reassess the ADAS, the passive safety pedestrian protection, lane support systems, blind spot detection, and all of that together with the results and the check and the verification of the car compared to the 2021 test lands once again in a 5-star result. This is the first time ever in LatinNCAP that a manufacturer achieves with a model 5 stars and renews the 5-star under the same protocol. So in less than 4 years between one and the other, and renews the 5 stars. This is a very satisfactory result from two leading manufacturers like Renault and Volkswagen, and we hope to see more of these results coming up next from these two and the other manufacturers as well. Before we say goodbye, we would like to thank you all very much for the support, but mainly to our funders and supporters, FI Foundation, Global NCAP, Bloomberg Philanthropies, and ICRT. To all of you, thank you very much. We have a lot of results still pending until the end of the year, so stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.